Using an Apple gift card to buy Apple products. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Apple gift card to buy Apple products. So let's get started. Start by visiting the Apple Store. Once you are on the Apple Store website app, you browse through the products available and select the ones you want to buy. Now add them to your shopping cart. After you have added all the desired products to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. This is where you finalize your purchase. On the checkout page, you will see options for payment methods. Here you choose Apple gift card as your payment methods. This means you will see a screen like this that says how do you want to pay. From here you can see the option credit or debit card. Click on the option you want and now enter your card information, for example your card number and expiration date and CVV code. Now after doing that, along with the card information, you will also need to provide the billing address. Scroll down on the checkout page until you find a field for entering your gift card number. Here you will input the number found on the back of your Apple gift card. Once you have entered all the required information, you will need to click on the Continue to Review button. This section will proceed to the next step in the checkout process. That's all. That's how you will be able to use Apple gift card to buy Apple products.